Hey, what's up, guys? So you've seen us go to beaches, and you've seen us go to mountains, and also you've seen us go to the snow. And now, it's time for us to go chase some waterfalls. Let's get it.
Hi guys, welcome to my story. I'm Shiren. So today we're doing a road trip. I know you don't need a reason to do a road trip, but just a bit of story of myself. I'm a new graduate struggling with my new job, so I thought why not a road trip just to see some nature, appreciate everything, and tell myself everything is just going to be okay. So let's go.
Yeah, essential for going traveling. Fast food. So many beautiful cute little shops. Just walking around with my coffee. I just really like the sound of the ocean and the sunshine. It's a beautiful day. I'm so glad I came out for my trip today. After such a long day, we finally chased down the waterfall. However, not fully satisfied. However, I did hear that there is another waterfall pretty close to here. So I might go check that one out. Well, let's go.
Now it's such a beautiful town, Lorne. I'm getting a lot of photos, and I'm not gonna lie, it's really Instagrammable, little beautiful town, and I'm here for the photos. Made it to my last destination, Erskine Falls, guys. It's 10 minutes drive from Lorne, and I'm so excited for this hike. Let's go.
Come on down below. Go.
You're here too.